This is my favorite.
Oh,
It gets worse and worse. This one is about. Well, you guys tell them what it's about. What's it about?
It's about the social pyramid and how it's stupid. The outcasts are the cool ones. The idiots in the top think they're. I'm sorry, King of Lemons.
All right, you
Excuse
ready?
you.
You ready?
You're an outcast as well.
1,
In
2,
some way.
3, 4.
Yo, it's the kingdom of cool, king of shame, and the queen of force, duke of follow, and a gesture of pain. The whole damn chorus gone insane. Once was a good little soldier, a one little part of the crew. Got nothing from the follow, now I see through you. You think you're the best, but you're really just a pest. You think you have it all. Well, listen, my friend, it's just your fault. It's all over now. It's all over. It's all It's all over now, I'm free. You got no hold on me. I declare independence from my descendants. The court's so bad, it sure makes me glad. I'm out, yo. Peace. Word to your mother.